the research shows that basically media stories matter. They have an impact on audiences. People learn a lot more than they actually know that they do or think that they do from the media. So if you think about this, we have very little contact with people who are different from us in actual face-to-face interactions. But what my research shows is that media mediated contact or contact with groups other than your immediate friends and immediate family. A lot of things you learn about the world through media stories. And the research on bias and stereotypes in the media that I've done basically focuses largely on race and ethnic groups, minorities, and also a little bit on religious minorities now. And what it shows is that especially when most of the information you get is from the media, you're much more likely to depend on media for forming your attitudes and forming your understandings about these groups. And therefore, it becomes very important to think about what is it that we see in the screen, what is it that we read about, because those things make a difference in how our opinions are formed. It also leads to emotions towards different groups, whether it's hatred or anger or compassion or understanding. These stories can make a difference. And I've also seen that it can affect in the long run, it can affect things like whether you're supportive of policies that would help or promote these minority groups or not. So, for instance, with the work that I'm doing, African Americans and Latino Americans, and also with Muslim Americans, we find that when you're exposed to a lot of negativity in the media about these groups, then not only do you have stereotypical perceptions of these groups, but they also lead to negative emotions towards these groups. And they lead, over time, they lead to what I would call negative support, or negative policy support for these groups. So that is a key finding. Another thing is that media literacy, more research is needed on media literacy and the ways in which it shapes audiences. But whatever work has been done, it shows that it can make a difference. So we think of both explicit and implicit bias, and my work looks at both of these. So media stories not only affect your explicit stereotypes or biases that you're aware of, but they can also your implicit attitudes and it can lead to implicit bias that actually has consequences on people's lives and livelihoods because of these judgments. So these are very, very important things to study from a media psychological perspective.